Okay, so we are going to continue building numbers, composing numbers, using what we call place value discs. So over here, you see that you have 6 different discs. You have 100,000 disc, a 10,000 disc, a 1,000 disc, a 100 disc, a 10 disc, and a 1. So we are going to practice building the number 45,479. So the first place value that you're going to start building, remember I said we're going to start building in our ones place value. So how many ones do we have? Good, we have 9 ones. So I'm going to move over 9 ones discs to my ones place value. So there's 9 ones. How many tens do we have in our number 45,479? Good, we have 7 tens. So I moved over 7 of the tens discs. Okay, what about our hundreds? How many hundreds do we have? Good job. We have 4 hundreds. So I've moved over 4 hundreds. How many thousands do we have? Good. 5 thousands. All right, now our last place value we have is our 10,000s. How many 10,000s do we have? Good, we have 4 10,000s. So I'm going to drag over 4 10,000s. All right, now we've built our number, we've composed our number, and then we're going to write out the value of each digit. So we're gonna type in the value of our digit in these boxes below. So in our ones, what is the value of our ones? 9, because we have 9 ones. Now what about our tens? Is our value 7? If you guessed no, you are correct. Our value is not 7. We can count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So our value is 70. Okay, what about our hundreds? What is our value of our hundreds? 100, 200, 300, 400. Okay, and our value of our thousands? 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. And then our value of our 10,000s. 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000. All right, and now you have your number decomposed number of 45,479. You're going to practice building your numbers using your place value discs.